Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Here I am Vijay Kumar Srivala once again with new concept. My dear students, here in this video I am giving the concept of ratio and proportion. In this video we will be seeing what is called ratio and what is proportion. Here if I take two terms A and B. Two terms I have taken A and B. So when I can find out the ratio of these two terms. So two terms are nothing but we can take it as quantities. So the simple definition of ratio is nothing but comparing two similar quantities by a division. Comparing two similar quantities by a division is called a ratio. So ratio is denoted as A is to B. In English we say it as colon. C-O-L-O-N colon. But when it comes in mathematics it is read as is to. A is to B. So these two quantities should be in the same ratio should be in the same quantities. Here what are these quantities? For example, I am taking one value in 1 liter and other I am taking as 25 milliliter. Now 10 liters I have taken 10 liters and 25 milliliters. Here whether the two quantities, quantity A, first quantity is in liters, second quantity is in milliliters. Here directly I can't simplify these two quantities. Why? Because both the quantities are not equal. We have to make them equal. So how to make them equal? Liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. This standard formula we are having. In 1 liter we are having 1000 ml. So 10 liters means 10 into 1000 ml is equal to 25 ml. 10 into 1000 is 10,000 is equal to 25. But now both the quantities are same, milliliters. So here we can find out the ratio. 10,000 is to 25. It goes in 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0, 0, 0. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. 400 is to 1 is the ratio of these two quantities A and B. So simple definition is what? Comparing two similar quantities. The meaning similar means both the quantities should be in the same. Then only you can simplify it. So whenever both are different, we have to make them equal. The quantities we have to make equal so that we can find out the ratio of two quantities. Here A is to B. This two quantities A and B. A is called antecedent. A is called antecedent. B is called consequent. Two quantities are there, A and B. Here A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. So ratio A is to B. A is to B in fractional form. A is to be in fractional form means as a fraction it can be written as A by B. As a fraction we can write. So division is also possible here. Now the inverse ratio. The inverse ratio of A is to B is nothing but B is to A. A is to B. Inverse ratio means reverse. We have to do B is to A. So here A is to B. Two quantities are there. It should be in same quantities. Then only you can find out the ratio. First term, first quantity or first term A is called antecedent. Second quantity or second term B is called consequent. Ratio A is to be in fractional form can be written as A by B. Whereas inverse ratio of A is to B is equal to B is to A. Now, one more ratio you see, that is what is compound ratio. Compound ratio. Here A, B, C, D. Four quantities are there. Now I am saying what is called compound ratio. Compound ratio. How to find compound ratio of four quantities? So A is to B and C is to D. The compound ratio of A is to B and C is to D is given by, write in fractional form, A by B into C by D. That is AC by BD. This is the formula which we can use for finding compound ratio. I hope my students they understood what is ratio and what is compound ratio. Now we will go to proportion. What is called proportion? When we can say that the quantities are in proportion. Same A, B, C, D. Four quantities I have taken. A is to B is as C is to D. Four quantities. A is to B. If two ratios I will keep, it is read as is as. A is to B is as. C is to D means A is to B is equal to C is to D. This is nothing but A is to B is equal to C is to D. Here, middle two terms B and C are called means. The second quantity and third quantity, that is B and C, are called means, whereas A and D are called extremes. First quantity and last quantity are called extremes. Second quantity and third quantity are called means. So when you can say that the four quantities are in proportion, so product of means A is to B is equal to C is to D. Here B, C and AD. B into C is equal to A into D. Means product of means is equal to product of extremes. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. If product of means is equal to product of extremes, then we can say that the four quantities A, B, C, D, therefore A, B, C, D are in proportion. So this is the main concept of ratio and terms related to proportions. My dear students, don't forget to do like, share and subscribe my channel. Already in earlier video I said that I am starting online coaching for specially for 10th class students. Those who are interested, they can book their seats or they can reserve their seats by calling the contact number which I have provided. Until my next video, thank you everyone.